Have a look at these. How cool is that? That is cool. Very cool. Okay, that is nice, very nice. Amazing how much the children look like their parents. Very cool. Beautiful. Beautiful Lincoln. Huge. It goes forever. Brisbane. And we got the truck. Very cool. Very cool. A tuffy. There you going. That is a beautiful car. What a beauty. That is stunning. Look at the paint. Wow. Mally Dad's Garage. We are at Joe's Diner. We've got the HKTG Club. They're doing their annual car meet here. What they didn't plan on, it's Bridge to Brisbane. So a bit of a pain for the cars to get here, so a bit of a slow start, but they're all starting to roll in now. Don't know how they're going to get out. I'll work that out later. So let's go check it out. Joe's Diner, the HKTG annual car meet. And tell you what, there's a view here. Let's go. I brought Dad's on. I'm working today, so I've only got a very short period of time I can check out the cars. Morning, how you going?
Alright, how are you?
Good, mate. I'll go and check your beast out in a sec. Sitting lonely over the background there. Alright, let's go check out as many cars as we can. Oh, she's stunning, this one. That is beautiful. 186er. Another one. I got this one pulling up. Absolute beauty. Very nice. Very nice old original car. Have a look at the size of this Lincoln. We got that pulled up as well. It's huge. It can't even fit under there. Hey? Hey? See if you got the nose hanging out so big. Got this one pulling up as well. Very nice. The Calais and the Corvette. Actually, there's a few pulling up here now. We'll walk down here. Gotta love a Calais, eh? Gosh, I love a Calais. Then we got a few coming in here. Nice Corvette, look at that. Very cool. Got the big truck. Cool, very nice. Look at that one. Oh, very nice. Oh, tuffy. Have a listen to that. Very cool. One of the regulars at the car events, always presented beautifully. Look at the paint on this one. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. There's quite a few here that are turned up, spread out. One slow 8. Well, that's not true. That thing goes like a cut snake. This beautiful falcon is pulled up. That sounded nice, in perfect condition. The old rotor, the old brap brap. Kills that. We'll check this one out. That is absolutely beautiful. Stunning attention to detail. See if we get some of the inside in. Oh, look how neat that is. Look how neat that is. Wow. Beautiful condition. That is close to immaculate as you can get. Over here. Wagon. Oh, this is beautiful, this one. I can't remember his name. Gary? Might be Gary. If not, we should call him Gary. Have a look at that. Look at the splats. Very cool. Little 253er in it. Well, we got a few more pulling up. It's actually built up to be quite a good day. Everyone's just found their way here from.
Yeah, well, I saw we were coming down.
That is nice. This is beautiful. Look at the colour. Stunning colour. All the HFDs lined up. Looks really cool against that silver wall. Oh, we got the FX. Beautiful clubby. How cool is that? Have a look at these. How cool is that? That is cool. Very cool. Hey, that is nice. Very nice. Alright, we'll do a quick walk down here. There's so many to look at. Quite a few are pulled up recently. It's huge, stunning. How cool is that? That is nice.
Is your brother coming today?
I don't know, actually. I'm not sure.
That I like more than the other two.
Nice. Looking good, mate.
Cheers, buddy.
Very, very nice. That stunning HK. The Porsche.
Yeah, well, there's one.
Original Fairmont here. Very cool. The old R36. Very underrated, very cool car. That's she go like a cut snake. It'll be 8 in this one. How nice is this C10? That is awesome. Very nice. Check out the cars on the other side. Yes. Beautiful old Falcon here.
It's named after his grandfather, and that was my dad's brother.
Yes, yes. We're all related. We are. Every walk. Well, what we did, see, the Italians concept, the Greeks invented women. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! No, it's the other way around. Mel told me. Mel told me. It's true.
You can hear the dull-tone noises of the Australian outback and the Jimmy just in the distance.
Thank you, buddy.
There's a nice crown wagon over there.
This is Jimmy's car here, one of the loudest guys you're ever going to meet.
You've got the radio sticker still on it.
Oh, beautiful. Very cool. There's my brother and his Browntown. Gotta love Browntown. I'll check that out. Alright, have a listen to this one pull up. That is awesome, little tuffy. That is awesome. Oh, I know we got a little bit of video on this one, is there? The cool little Supra.
Got the blue velour interior, absolutely beautiful. He'll do it up, he'll bring it up real nice. We've got
we got some great cars up along here. We got the walking short, very cool. Apart from that sun in its road. Can't remember what these are called. Look at the Susans. X something. He always sets this up perfectly. Have a look at this. We got everything set up. This one's very neat. Very, very neat. Steve-O's car and some of the club members, HKTG, and Adrian's car. It's got about 1.75 million kilometres on it. Alright, we'll go down here, check out what we got down here. Got the Hot Wheels. Yeah, how cool is that? What a beautiful truck. Very nice, mate. Very nice. Nice, got that one pulling up.
And that's back in the buddy.
Alright, we got these ones down here before, so I'll go down to the Tranas and restart. We got the Tranas down here, very cool. Very nice. Splats on the back. Very, very cool. We'll go down here. Check out the Tranas. Oh, Colin parked with the Tranas. Very, very cool. Yeah, we got all the Tranas there, and then we got Colin's, my brother's Brown Town over there. There's Dale. Very original. How good is this? How good is that? Such a cool car. Very, very nice. Well, we've got a few more pulling up now. These Waynes. This bloke always presents well. Yeah, that overdone it. That colour. Sounds awesome too. A few more down here. Now I've got to go to work, so I can't be here too long, so it'll be a quick little video. Favourites.
Starting to turn up the run, and we'll probably sort of get the rest of it. They might do it for the blips there.
Alright, we'll just check out this this side down here, then I'm going to have to head off. Very cool truck, got this one pulled up, sound awesome. Saw it at Beach Fest as well. That is awesome. Very, very nice. Oh wow, look at that blue. Yeah, track off. Oh, that's what it's called. Go like an absolute cut straight. I've got the hatchback pulling up. That sounded awesome. I'll cut that in.
Okay. So if I get up along there,
It's just parked on the road that goes along the waterfront. But up the
yeah.
I know where it is. You go past St Pat's College and all that. Yep. And it's just the car park at the end of the
This is the owner of Brown Town. So we got a few more pulling up. This is a toughie. Have a look at this one, eh? Hey. The pipes hanging out the front. Mate, these always sound amazing. Good that's it. Tuffy. Pulling up this way too. Right there, Evo. Very cool. Beautiful, let's see. Two-tone. That is nice. Alright, there's a few here now. Alright, there's been a few pull up just in this area here. Very cool, eh, Papa? But have a look at these two, got them pulling up. How cool are these? Okay. How cool is that? Just wish Daisy Duke was here. That is awesome.
Where are the Duke boys?
Where's Daisy Duke?
Yes, where's Daisy?
That is so cool. Very, very
what
nice.
about Starsky and Hutch? Where's Hutch?
Oh, you're gonna love that. Alright, let's wrap it up there. Mal Dad's garage, so I've got to head off to work now. So very cool, just a small little gathering here that was a bit difficult to get in for everyone with the bridge to Brisbane going on, but anyway, still got quite a few roll up, which is cool. Harrigan's on today as well, so yeah, quite a lot going on. Oh, hang on, there's a few here I missed. One of my favourites, it is stunning. How cool is this one? Absolutely awesome. Yeah, sorry if I did miss your car, I'm in a bit of a rush, so yeah, check this out. Have a look at that. That is awesome.